Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. It's been a while we haven't spoken about India's indigenous Kaveri engine, which has been in development for a long time. This video will provide the latest update regarding the Kaveri engine which is being planned. As per the sources, DRDO's, the Gas Turbine and Research Establishment, in partnership with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, will be manufacturing the dry Kaveri engine which is being planned to be used on India's unmanned stealth bomber. If we quickly revisit the history of this engine, India started working on the development of a Kaveri derivative dry engine without afterburner for powering the unmanned combat aircraft in near future. The new engine will have a dry thrust of 46 to 50 kN class, and that too without a non-afterburning section. This will have a flat low heat nozzle exhaust, and HAL will be manufacturing these dry Kaveri engine when it completes its certification by 2024 and enters production. DRDO is planning to develop at least 3 to 4 dry derivatives of the Kaveri engine in order to carry out the full spectrum ground tests before its flight testing begins. During indoor aerospace testing, all relevant data will be collected from different parameters on the engine, which will help analyze and monitor the changes required for engine improvements. If we quickly see the functionality of an aircraft engine, a fighter engine functions by intaking large volume of air, compressing it rapidly in several stages, injecting the aviation fuel into the air and then setting it alight to create a high pressure, high temperature gaseous mix. The high pressure and high temperature gas mixture is later expelled backward through the exhaust, which in turn helps in propelling the aircraft forward. DRDO has developed the technology to produce the 5-stage HPC discs, and it has established the near isothermal forging technology to produce all the 5 stages of high pressure compressor discs out of difficult to deform titanium alloy and using its unique 2000 MT isothermal forge press. This technological breakthrough, which involves developing complex titanium and nickel based alloys that can withstand temperatures of more than 1000 degrees Celsius, was achieved by DRDO's premier metallurgical laboratory. With this development, India has joined the League of Limited Global Engine Developers to have the manufacturing capability of such critical aero engine components. A technology demonstrator called Stealth Wing Flying Test Bed, developed by Aeronautical Development Agency and Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, might be used for testing these engines. So let us hope all these activities go as per the plan and DRDO and HAL come up with a final version of Kaveri engine which qualifies for the relevant program. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.